Looking for the perfect dessert for your Christmas feast? Enter the Divine Christmas Tiramisu, a delightful Italian classic, ideal for bringing layers of coffee-infused cheer to your festive table. Ready to whip up a storm in the kitchen? Let's dive into the recipe. First things first, gather your ingredients. We'll need some simple yet crucial items for our Divine Christmas Tiramisu. Start with fresh eggs, then sweet granulated sugar. Next, grab some creamy mascarpone cheese, and don't forget your strong aromatic espresso. We'll also need crisp ladyfingers to soak up all that coffee goodness. To top it all off, a dusting of rich cocoa powder, and for an extra festive flair, a splash of rum or amaretto. Got everything? Great. Now, on to the fun part. Now let's get down to business. To set the stage for our Divine Christmas Tiramisu, we start with the coffee mixture. It's a simple blend of strong, freshly brewed coffee and a splash of coffee liqueur for that extra kick. Let it cool while we move on to the next step. Next, we'll create the mascarpone cream, the heart of our tiramisu. Whisk together egg yolks and sugar until they're light and fluffy. Then fold in the mascarpone cheese gently until it's perfectly smooth. Now comes the fun part, the assembly. Take a ladyfinger, quickly dip it into the coffee mixture, and lay it at the bottom of your dish. Then spread a generous layer of the mascarpone cream over it. Repeat this process until your dish is filled, finishing with a final layer of cream. Pop it into the refrigerator for a few hours to let the flavors meld together. And voila! A heavenly dessert is ready. There you have it, a divine dessert that will bring joy to your Christmas feast. From assembling the ingredients to savoring the final product, this Divine Christmas Tiramisu is a festival of flavors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Stay tuned and happy cooking!